Hi guys, there seems to be a little bit of confusion about how to do your vocabulary. So I'm going to try to clear it up for you and just go over it one more time. And you can watch this video as many times as you want or show it to your parents and maybe they can help you with your vocabulary. So let's start out with the word revision like we did in class. Your first step is to attack the word and try to break it up into 3 parts. Okay, so the way we break up revision is first we look and see that the prefix is re, R-E. The middle, or the root, is viz. And the suffix is ion. Your next step, or perhaps at the same time, you look on your charts that we gave you in class that are in your writer's notebook. And when you do, you'll see that the meaning of the prefix re is again. So your job is to write down what you think or what you found is the meaning of the prefix. And the root means see, according to your chart. And ion, when added to a word, means the act or process. So we can tell that revision, it doesn't always work out exactly right, but if we look at it, we can see that revision is the act or process of seeing something again or in a new way. And so that's what we do in the writing process. Okay? Step 2, you look up the dictionary definition of the word. And you write that in there. And the dictionary definition of the word is to prepare a new edition of a text. And this is particular to language arts because, as I told you, these first 2 words in your list this first week come from language arts, so you have to find that definition. And this is also a noun. Okay? So the next thing you do is you write a sentence using the word that it illustrates that you know the meaning of the word. So, my sentence for this word is, my teacher told me to spend more time on revision when I write. So you can see that I'm talking about the writing process by the way I put the word in the sentence and use the word in the sentence. It's not always that straightforward, but your job is to do the best you can and be an investigator and see if you can break it apart. Eventually you'll be able to tackle words that you've never even seen by being able to recognize its parts. The next thing I would do is go on to the next word and do the same 3 steps. Do your best work. Make sure it's neat and easy for me to read it when I look at your books. Stay organized. Make sure you include all 3 parts of each word in your work. And when you write sentences in the 8th grade, it's assumed that you're going to use capital letters at the beginning, end marks at the end, and that all the words you choose will be spelled correctly. So please take your time and make sure you have all of those components.